Hello, and welcome to Administrative Controls Management's hands-on Oracle P6 training overview. In this one-day course, participants will receive hands-on computer instruction that will guide and teach them the fundamentals of how to use Primavera P6. Participants will learn how to create a project and schedule it, how to create a work breakdown structure, how to add and assign resources and baselines, how to execute the plan, including how to change calendars, assign constraints, update the project, and entering and applying actuals. Participants will also learn how to organize a schedule through various codes and grouping, how to adjust the display and layout in order to achieve the desired goals, such as reports, and how to use advanced P6 features such as adding expenses and roles to the project. Throughout each of these topics, participants will work through hands-on examples that will allow them to apply what they have learned and work through any roadblocks that they may encounter. In order to provide the best experience for this course, participants will receive a comprehensive workbook prepared by ACM that will allow them to take notes and follow along. If you would like to learn more about this course or the other courses that ACM has to offer, please reach out by phone at 734-995-9640 or go to acmpm.com for more information. ACM has office locations in Michigan, North Carolina, and Ohio, and our vision is to be your first choice for project management. At ACM, we aim to provide the most timely and cost-effective solutions to our clients' project management concerns. ACM is the first approved education provider as certified by AACE International and a Project Management Institute Global Registered Education Provider. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.